Hi, Brian. How are you?
Oh, Pup, terrific. Good to see you.
Lovely to see you too. Now, I believe you, Faye and Lisa, are starring in a feature film.
We're so excited about it. Yeah, this is going to be fantastic production, fantastic for the Hunter Valley, fantastic for our pioneers.
And have you starred in a feature film before?
Well, I'm a bit shy to talk about those things, Pup, but I've been the support actor in quite a few movies in the past. The Life of Brian, for instance. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. And The Robe, of course. I was in The Robe.
Bath Robe?
That too. But mostly movies produced by Cecil B. de Droftsberg.
I see. And what character are you playing, Brian?
I'm playing a worn-out winemaker, a fellow by the name of Brian McGuigan.
Oh my God, is he still alive?
Well, you know, this book was published in 64 and he was there then.
Was he?
1864.
Oh my goodness. Big shoes to fill, Brian.
Oh, yes, but he slowed down a bit, so I don't know. I don't know really whether it's all that difficult.
And are you going to play, do you think, as a character or a method actor?
I think I'm going Shakespearean, really because John Bell and I went to school together. You know, John Bell, the Shakespearean actor. I taught him everything he knows.
Did you?
Taught him. So I've got to go Shakespearean.
And is this based on a true story?
True story. You know we don't exaggerate in the wine industry.
Never. Well, I've always been a big supporter of the Australian wine industry.
That's a well-known fact, Pup. Pup Simon tells me that you're the fastest girl to consume a bottle of champagne than anyone else he's ever come across.
He would say that.
Yeah,
Now,
I think he would.
back to the movie,
Yes,
Brian.
yes.
So what role are you actually playing?
Well, I'm going to set the scene. This is the book here. It's called Cookery for the Many, as well as for the Upper 10,000. Now, of course, the Upper 10,000 means the Upper 10,000 vignerons.
And so the movie has the same name as the cookbook.
It has the same name, which is very apt. It's really a great story.
And now there's a quote, I believe. That you
Yes,
were
I'd like to
looking at
read the
reading.
quote
Yeah.
to you because it's from Benjamin Disraeli and it sets the scene. A little dinner, not more than the Muses, with all the guests clever. They must have been to have lived here. And some pretty. That's important. Offers human life and human nature under very favourable circumstances. So it's going to be fantastic and I'm very much looking forward to it. I think it's a great idea that the producers are doing this for this district to show people what things used to be like.
Thank you, Brian, and thank you for spending some time with us and talking about it. I think your phone's on the run now.
Yes, it is. The film's going to be great. It's lovely to talk to you, but my friend Huey, great to talk to you, old fruit. How are you? I'm a little bit nervous about how I should play this part that I was talking to you about. Oh, that's a good idea, yes.